Ahoy, shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers, and people who were stationed in the Coast Guard Air Detachment, Kodiak, Alaska, 1960-1961. It is currently 7 bells on the forenoon watch. And that means 11:30 a.m. Okay, today I'm going to unbox and we're going to mount a bank replica of the Grumman Goose, which was an aircraft that the Coast Guard later on and the Air Force took and called the UF-1G and the UF-2G with quite a few modifications. And this is the plane that I flew in. I flew in the Coast Guard 7228, and I have a whole video upcoming on that airplane and on that period of time in my life, and maybe I hope you enjoy it. So for today, let's go ahead and unbox this bank. And I was originally going to hang it from the ceiling, or the overhead as we call it in the Coast Guard, but it's way too heavy, so what we're going to do is mount it on the wall. So hope you enjoy it. Here it starts. Okay, we got everything we're going to need. This aircraft is so heavy that I'm going to have to use guitar hangers to hang it. We're going to hang it on the wall. We're going to use guitar hangers. Got them, got my deal. Let's see, I need a sharp knife. A sailor without a knife is a man without a job. And whoa, that is sharp. And let's see where we're going to go. Here we go. Here's something. What about with its wingspan? Yeah, it's pretty well going to have to be mounted a little bit further over here. Let's say right about here. So here we go. glad you woke up today. Oh, you want to go back to sleep? It's going to go back to sleep. So, there we are. There it's up. Now, the next segment, which would be the B segment to this, or the second segment to this video, we'll be talking about this airplane and my adventures in one. So, until next time, Captain Jack, Billy Bones the parrot, First Mate Jenny, Calico the cat, Callie down here, asleep, saying adios.